Hello everyone, my name is Gajanan Molak. Today's date is the 20th October 2022. Today's video topic is the file handling in Java. In Java, a file is an abstract data type named location used to store related information to information is known as the file. There are the several file operators. There are the several file operators like creating a new file, getting information about file, writing into a file, reading information about file from the file, and deleting a file. Before understand the file operations, it is required that we should have knowledge of streams and the file methods. If you have a knowledge about of them, you can skip it. First, stream. A series of data is referred to as a stream in a Java stream. In Java, stream is classified into two types. That's the byte stream and the character stream. First one is the byte stream. Byte stream is mainly involves with the byte data. A file handling process. File handling process with byte stream is a process in which and the input is provided and executed with the byte data. And the next one is the character stream. Character stream is mainly involved with the char data. A file handling process with the character stream is a process in which and the input is provided and executed with the character data. So now we see the operations of the files. The first one is the create a file. Second is the get the file information. Third one is the write to the file. Fourth one is the read from a file. Fifth one is the delete a file. So first we see the create a file operation is performed. To create a new file. We use the create new file method of the file. The create new file method returns the true when it accessible. It successfully creates a new file and returns false when the file already existed. Write to the file. The next operation, which is the we can perform the and the file is writing into the file. This is my point of view about the file handling in Java. Thank you.